Today I want to talk about a new machine from Centauro, the Alfa Jamb NC automatic through-feed programmable machine for volume production of door frames. It's a through-feed version of the standard Alfa machine, which we've sold over 100 of these in the UK and Ireland. As the name suggests, the machine can be used for volume production of door frame material, basically for producing hinges, lock keeps, top closers. As part of the program, we can also rebate the jambs or heads. The machine's fitted as standard with a horizontal feeder with automatic indexing. You can load up to 10 pieces at a time. Depending on the type of program, we have left-hand or right-hand stops for machining. The Alfa Jamb is fitted with two NC heads, the main head for machining, plus a second head for pilot hole and squaring the hinges if needed. Programming is simple as per the standard Alfa machine, using a simple macro system through the Elco Top 12 touchscreen controller. This is the same as the original Alfa machine and very user-friendly. If you want to increase your production for frames and doors, give us a call today.